I told you that Emily would have the last word. All of this comes from Dazzle. Emily Dickinson said, tell all the truth, but tell it slant. Success in circuit lies, too bright for our infirm delight. The truth's superb surprise, as lightning to the children, eased by explanation kind. The truth must dazzle gradually, or every man be blind. Thank you.
A root of evanescence with a revolving wheel, a resonance of emerald, a rush of cochineal, and every blossom on the bush adjusts its tumbled head. The mail from Tunis, probably an easy morning's ride. A drop, this is about a rain right here in the garden.
Yeah.
A drop fell on the apple tree, another on the roof. A half a dozen kissed the eaves and made the gables laugh. A few went out to help the brook that went to help the sea. Myself conjectured, were they pearls? What necklaces could be? The dust displaced in hoisted roads, the birds jocoser sung. The sunshine threw his hat away. The bushes spangles flung. The breezes brought dejected lutes and bathed them in the glee, till Orient showed a single flag and signed the fete away. That's the sun coming up in the east. Orient. Well, you'll understand this one. For someone who never left the house, really. She said, Exaltation is the going of the inland soul to sea, past the houses, past the headlands, into deep eternity. Bred as we among the mountains, can the sailor understand the divine intoxication of the first league out from land? Never went anywhere. And then, no, what was the other? Oh, yes. This is about, do you want me to do spring, winter, fall? Let me do the 4 seasons, very short.
Yeah.
The first one is spring. A little madness in the spring is wholesome, even for the king. But God be with the clown who ponders this enormous scene, this whole experiment in green, as if it were his own. That's spring. Summer is a soft sea washed about the house, a sea of summer air, and rose and fell the magic planks that sailed without a care. For captain was the butterfly, for helmsman was the bee, and an enlightened universe for the enchanted crew. Sailors, that's the summer. The fall is, these are the days when the birds come back, a very few, a bird or two to take a backward look. These are the days when the skies resume their old sophistries of June, a blue and gold mistake. Now, the last one is winter. This is wonderful, winter. It's, the sky is low, the clouds are mean. Across a rut and through a barn, a flake of snow debates if it will go. A narrow wind complained all day of what they did to him. Nature, like us, is sometimes found without her diadem. She's a bloody genius. I mean, she's unbelievable.